Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Tudum. That's the Netflix. Tudum. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna go. What? No. I'm gonna watch Squid Game Season 1, Episode 4. Stay with me for this intro because if you watch my intro and reviews of the last episodes, you already know that I have a lot of theories about this show, but editing the 3 first episodes, I have a new big theory that I want to tell you, so I'm gonna explain it during this intro. I'm so glad to be there for Squid Game. I'm gonna watch normally at least 3 episodes, maybe more than that, but at least 3 episodes. So cool! I'm so excited about it, and I published my first reaction video about it, and you were a lot to like it, and also to be new on my channel for that video, for that show. So hello, hi, I'm Laura, I'm French, as you can hear with my beautiful accent. Okay, theories. You know my theory about the grandpa. Maybe because I watched too much So, I totally say it. Maybe it's because of that I'm suspecting him to maybe be involved into the game, to be one of the masterminds, to be involved into it. Because of the fact that we didn't see his life during the episode 2, which was about all of their lives, you know, their background, their families and all. We didn't see his life, but we saw him coming like that from nowhere to talk with Ji-hoon. Like, I believe in destiny, but that much. And also, during the first game, he was enjoying it and he was the first one to play. After that, when they voted, he was the last one to vote. Like, maybe he wanted all of the people to be there really for the right reasons and to be sure that they wanted to be there. There are several moments into this show which are making me believe that he's involved into all of that. Several things that he said which can have a lot of different meanings, you know, so I don't know. I'm suspecting him. That's one of my theories. Second theory, I think that the game that we saw at the beginning of the first episode is gonna be the final game, which is weird because for this game, it's a group, you know, which is winning, and they seem to say that only one person can win. We'll see, but I think that also the person who was saying that memory is one of the masterminds, if not the real mastermind, and why not the grandpa because of that, because of my first theory. One of my new big theory that I saw editing the 3 first episodes, you know, in each episode, each one of them shared one memory, and watching the episode, I didn't pay attention to it. I was like, okay, it's just making me understand who you are, you know, it's just for building the character. Editing the episodes, you know, my reaction videos about this episode, I'm beginning to think that maybe these memories that they shared are connected. I don't think that all of the 546, something like that, I don't think that they were all connected, but maybe our guys, you know, the main characters that we have, maybe they're connected, because really, I had this impression when they shared these memories. Really, watching the episode, I was like, okay, just for the characters. Editing the episode, I was like, they are important. You know, Ji-hoon, when he argued with his wife, he said something about the fact that a guy died in front of him, like he was supposed to take him to the hospital, and that person died. We have Sang-woo, I'm sorry for my pronunciations. Again, I saw that it was so bad, you know, when I edited the episode. I'm really sorry for that. He said that he lost money because he put a bet on the futures. And I think that it's something like the future of people or something like that. Like, it can be connected maybe to the girl story, because the girl story, she paid, you know, for making her parents, you know, cross. And the guy said that he lost this money, that someone stole this money, like it didn't work. I don't know why I made that connection with Sang-woo saying something about he put a bet on futures and it was not about stocks and all. He said it to Ji-hoon, it was something else, and her, right there, money which has been lost because of that. And her, she's connected to the bossy boss killer guy because of the fact that she stole money from him to pay that guy for helping her parents. They lost that money. Maybe it was because of Sang-woo who put a bet on futures. Sang-woo and Ji-hoon, they're connected because they shared, you know, their childhood and all, they're like brothers. See, I'm seeing maybe a potential connection right there, which is maybe wrong, totally wrong, but I'm seeing something right there. Ali, I don't know how we can be connected with that. Maybe because he was one of the futures thing, I don't know. And Ji-hoon, the fact that he saw that guy dying into his taxi and all, can it be someone connected to the grandpa? Because we need the grandpa to be connected to all of that. So yes, maybe it was the grandpa son? See? I don't know why, really editing the videos, I paid attention more to these memories that they shared during the episode, you know, like that, like it was nothing and all, and I was like, it would be such another level of the show to in fact put a connection right there. You know, I think that it's a show with which we can have a lot of reveal. That's why I had this theory about the grandpa maybe being involved into this game. But one of the layers can be also that in fact they are all connected. At least the characters that we are following, and they're gonna discover that at some point. It could be two big interesting reveals that we can have at some point. That's it, I told you. I worked, you know, see? I worked hard editing the videos for you guys to have them this week, for you to have these 3 videos of Squid Game in addition of the 5 videos that I'm already publishing for my channel. Like really 8 videos each week, it's a lot. Think about it, it's a lot of work to film, to edit, to upload, to publish, to also read all of your comments and to respond to you. It's something that I love to do. It's really half of the fun for me to do that, to read your comments and all. And thank you really to those of you who commented on the first video, because you were careful with the spoilers and I truly appreciated that. So thank you for that, really guys. I truly appreciated it. Oh yes, my series about the mask guys. They are forced to be there also. Is it for financial reasons? Is it for blackmailing? I can't put my finger on it. I don't think that they can be there for financial reasons, because them, you know, they are not playing games with which they're gonna be killed at the end. Do you understand what I mean? Like, they're gonna stay right there to organize all of that. So I can't see a way for them to be there because of financial reasons, but maybe because of blackmailing, or maybe one of my, I think, most stupid, weird theory, maybe because they were winners of the game, you know, the kids game, and in fact the next level of winning these games is to be one of the masked guys. I don't know. I don't know, but for sure they are forced to be there, and I want to discover more about that. Why some of them are supervisors and why the other ones are not. I think that there is also an explanation behind that, and of course I want to discover who is this big black mask guy, you know. I don't know why, but I think that is related to Grandpa, like his son or something like that. During the last episode, we had the second game, and all of our guys stayed alive. That's great, but I'm wondering about the consequences of it, you know, of the fact that Sang-woo, he knew the game, he knew that it was gonna be that, and he didn't say it to Ji-hoon. I think that for the relationship between the characters, it can have a consequence. And we're gonna have also an alliance with the crazy girl, you know, the crazy woman and the bossy boss guy. But see, during that second game, the only one who didn't cheat, you know, who didn't use another manner to do things, it's Ali and Grandpa. The only ones who really played the games fair, you know, without using any technique, by really doing it. Oh! The guy who had the nut, you know, into the biscuit, into the thing, it's the masked guys who put that nut into it. Why would they help one of the candidates? To form an alliance, to do something together? It's weird, and that's one of the reasons why I was suspecting that maybe candidates can become masked persons. That's it for my series. I have a lot of them. I love this show for all of these mind games that I can play with it, for the games that they are also offering to us with these stories and with these kids games. And I love the characters, thanks to the episode 2 in which we really discovered them and I had my first tears for them. So I love this show. I began to love some characters, Ali, and I love to play with it. It's so cool, you know, that in shows that I love, I need 3 things: good stories, good development for characters, and society subjects being explored. I have already these 3 things, because, you know, the society subjects that they are exploring, it's of course the fact that you can do anything, everything for money, to have money, to pay your debts and all of that. You know how society is working around money and all, and also the limits of people to have some. But also I think that it's saying a lot about this culture, about Korean culture, that I don't know a lot about. I'm sorry for that. But you know, the fact that this girl, she wants her parents to cross the border, and the conversations that she had with the bossy boss guy, they called each other revolutionary and stuff like that. Like, I think that there is something right there, an aspect that I can feel a little, but maybe I should work on a little more to really fully understand it. I can understand it, the first aspect of it, because of course I know how the world is functioning, and of course I know what is happening right there, but I'm not an expert on it, so maybe I can't see everything about it. That's what I'm saying right there. Let's go for this episode 4 right now. Oh, and I took a tissue because I know myself, I know that I'm emotional. Episode 2, I had first tears. Today I'm gonna watch 3 episodes, I'm gonna progress a lot into the season, so I can suspect that at least one of them is gonna die. I know myself, I prepared the tissue just in case. Let's go. Oh, and like usually you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier during the day, and also with an extended or full reaction part. For the 3 first episodes I put the extended reaction part, which was between 6 and 10 minutes longer. That's a lot. Let's go!
아니야. 엄마인데 잘했다면서 살았어.
See, it's bad because I can see that he's nice and he's making me smile, but each time I have a voice in my head saying
다 살았으니까 걱정했습니다. 내가 쉽게 죽을 줄 알았어. 늙은 사장님 괜찮습니까? 괜찮아. 응?
Ali, how can you be so sweet? They're almost part of this game, you know. What now?
시다냐? 시간다. 감사합니다.
Excuse me.
Ah!
계란이랑 사이다. 빨리 줘요.
우리도 못 받았어요. 저 사람들이 주방 가져갔어요. 내가 봤어요.
The masked guys, they're not gonna intervene.
아,
You know, it's almost part of this experience, the social things, you know, how fair they're gonna play or not. Oh, no. We saw you killing a guy, that was not the first time. Are you gonna win money for this one? You know, it was not during one of the games.
여기요. 사람이 죽었어요. 저기 사람이 죽었어요. 저 자식이 사람을 죽였다고요.
Part of the game. They're not gonna do anything.
사람을 죽였다고. 이건 안 되냐? 이건 안 되는 거잖아. 우리끼리 이렇게 죽이면 안 되는 거잖아.
It's so brave. He's speaking like that, you know, he's screaming all of that. It's so brave. Okay, it worked. So it's really part of the game. People can kill each other like that. We are glad that our girl, she had a knife. This music, it's stressing, but you know, when I was editing the videos, I was like,
이러면 뭐 하는 거지?
you have to act.
조심히 되잖아. 상륙자가 웃기 전에 먼저 말하지 않는다. 저놈들 분위기가 아까부터 심상치가 않아.
Some of the mask guys and they are taking part of bodies, like the contract that is signed at the beginning, June. You're planning on killing her.
넌저 깡패 새끼랑 별로 사이도 안 좋은 것 같던데. 불 꺼지고 무슨 일 생기면 내 침대 쪽으로 모이기로 했다. 너도 와.
You're a good guy because he doesn't know, you know, that
이런 데까지 기어들어온 인간들은 너무 믿고.
she knew that about the first game and all.
원래 사람은 믿을만.
He's not saying that to use her.
없으니까 믿는 거지.
It's like him helping the cat, you know, during the first episode. She is the cat.
28분 왜 공짜야? 29번이 안 나타났어. 사고가 생긴 거야. 내일 게임이 문제. 확실한 거지?
I don't know this game.
무슨 소리야? 안에서 싸움이 날 거야. 일부러 음식을 두개 주고 싸움을 유도하는 거지.
They need you like they need another pair of hands, you know. Okay, so that's the game. We didn't see it. Okay, that was not an egg game.
가는 게
우리가 왜? 아저씨 뭐할 줄 아는데?
나 밖에서 미사.
뭐 여기서 감이 걸면
She's fun. Annoying but fun. The actress is really great.
내가 알아요. 다음 게임이 뭔지.
Things are gonna go wrong. Oh, and you know that? Like it happened before or something like that. It's a girl who said that you took the eggs.
네가 봤어.
Une boucherie.
시작.
Do it. Oh, they are playing even more with your mind than on because it's hardest to focus your attention, you know, when lights are like that. Ooh. You lost your knife! No! Someone is gonna take your knife and he's gonna say, no? Your knife! Get back your knife! You have some anger issues, right? I'm sorry. Guys. each other. I love the three of you. Grandpa? Grandpa? No, I'm not gonna suspect him even more after that. Not at all. It's so savage, you know. All of them are killing each other. All of them are turning into murderers. You're not better than the ones who are organizing these games. I'm sorry, I'm gonna suspect him even more because he's saying that they're stopping the game. They need these people to not kill each other. They need to still play the 4 games. No, I'm sorry, it's making me suspect him even more. No? Okay, policeman Junho, he knows you, but you don't know that it's him. For now, no. At least half of them, no?
거기까지 올라가셨어요. 위험하게.
외국 사장님 없어져서 걱정했습니다. 아무도 크게 안 다쳐서 다행이에요.
For the last game, if I'm right about it, only 4 of you can survive.
사는 동네고. 이름은 성기훈. 쌍문동의 성기훈.
알리 압둘.
어느 나라에서 왔어?
파키스탄.
역시 여기는 서울대 경영학과.
조상우야.
I'm wondering about the fact that he went really to that school. Each time he's acting weird when they're talking about it.
꼭 말해 안 해? 강새벽.
새벽 이름? 이름은 그러니까 그게 내
Pretty convenient now to not remember his name now.
좀 쉬시면 다 괜찮아질 거예요.
Oh, it's making me feel bad to suspect him. He's sweet and nice.
그래도 많이 줄였네.
80?
100에서 80명.
맞췄으면 상을 줘야지.
None, please.
화장실 좀 갔다 왔어.
For real?
갑자기 오줌을 마렸니?
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Great.